Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can save a downloaded template to the templates folder within your computer, so you won't need to download it again later. To do this, display the template on screen and then click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Save As command at the left side of the Backstage view within the template file. Then click the Browse button to the right to open the Save As dialog box. Select either the Excel template or the Excel macro-enabled template choice from the Save As type drop-down at the bottom of the Save As dialog box. The difference between the choices depends on whether or not the template contains macro coding within the file. To save a template that contains macro coding, you must use the Excel macro-enabled template choice. After making either selection, Excel then changes the folder to which it saves the template to the default templates folder within your computer. Be sure to save the template into this folder that Excel selects, so Excel can find the template when you create a new workbook based on the template in the future. Then type the name to give to the template into the File Name field in the Save As dialog box. Then click the Save button within the Save As dialog box to save the template to your computer. You can then close the template file displayed within Excel. In the next lesson within this chapter, you will examine how to create a new Excel workbook from the template that you saved to your computer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.